Manang Mila, magkano nga ulit? Yung tinda mong ano?
So I'm here with Charis.
20 pesos.
With her,
Ah, okay.
Your mama.
Ito yung anak mo.
With Charis and
Ayan siya.
mama. They're open 24/7. So if you're passing, the name of the store is
Tintin!
Chame Anteta.
Tin!
Name of my two daughters.
Okay. Okay, but you can come. I the only daughter. Okay. I was going to buy Marabra Light 20 sticks, but this time lady basically said I could buy one
Ano yung
stick,
nagan niyo?
10 peso. The wine no other
Pangalan mo?
places trying to the
Charis and Chet.
Cherise and...
20 peso because I'm a cano, but they don't realize I'm a
Ah,
cano.
okay.
But I'm
Mamaya i-ano ko sana.
anyway,
Matagal na kayo dito? Matagal na kayo titinda? Dito ka rin nag-aaral sa ano? Sa Alcala? Masiping. Malapit dito?
Dito lang din po banda yung school.
School.